Chapter 17, lesson 17, I should say. Kakt shakt dig. This is where we get a preposition plus the article, which will cause an eclipsis. Now, if you want to be in a certain dialect, this may cause lenition in that dialect. Don't get thrown. If you want to go that way, that's okay, but you got to be consistent. You can't do half and half. So if you're a full-fledged Connemara speaker, you'll probably want to put a lenition instead of an eclipsis. But this book, and in Munster Irish especially, it puts an eclipsis. So we're going to do that. And what really is happening here, the reason that puts an eclipsis is because it's technically in the dative case. Now, there is no special form for the dative case, just in case you're interested in that. Very rarely there is a form for certain nouns, but not these. You don't have to worry about it. But an muchel, on the boy. An maska, on the board or the table. How do I say? On the box. An mord, on the table. Egg an galin. And this they give you but it's the same thing for egg. It's the same thing for lesh. It's the same thing for free. All of them, preposition plus article causes an eclipsis if possible. Some of them will combine, one in particular, will combine with the article. Fui an becomes fuin. One word, just one word. And then you'll have to just know your combinations for eclipsis. That goes way, way, way back. That's not even something that they cover here. Then you have a question word on dogime, and that's causing eclipsis. They're showing you things that cause eclipsis here. Ka, the question where, causes eclipsis. Ka will, ka may. It's kind of hard to see because will is just that form anyway, but that's technically true. Ka janshe, where does he go? We cause eclipsis. And then, like I mentioned, I think before, the plural possessive pronouns also cause eclipsis, always. Are jack, jack, their house. Can be either he with a lenition, she or her, his or her with no lenition, or their with eclipsis. So can mean three things depending on what happens after it as a possessive pronoun. Ar jach. And they don't cover everything about that here. They just give you that much. So let's leave it at that. These are some things that cause eclipsis, and you need to study them.